I think very important to help the community. You can actually be a part of it, and yeah, actually very happy with that. I think this community is doing it exceptionally well, taking really care of the children, taking care of the older people. I think that's very good. I work in the financial system, and at the moment I can luckily work from home quite a bit. I think if we all work together, it's going to be fine. It was hard work, but it was a nice team. We actually had quite some fun. Everybody got a box. Everybody got eggs. So I think mission complete.